Alright, welcome to the LYGHT by Myster. We're going to go ahead and turn it on with 5 clicks on the physical button. We charge with USB-C. Now first off, to attach your cartridge, we're going to be using the included adapter. There's a long adapter as well as a short one that is embedded inside of the mouthpiece lid. Now, if you have shorter carts, you're going to want to use the longer adapter. What this does is magnetize it, and you can stick it in the unit. You can see the shorter other adapter here. This one inside the lid comes in handy if you don't remember to bring one with. Now, a big feature on this unit is the hidden mouthpiece. This is where you're going to be inhaling from. You can use 3 button clicks to change the temperature setting, and 2 rapid button clicks to activate the preheat setting. 5 clicks is going to be your on and off. Now, on top of being a 510 battery, this is also an electronic lighter. So you're going to hold down the bottom button to activate the heating element. You can use this heating element to light your joints, cigarettes, or whatever you intend to use it for. Now, to clean this off, we're just going to use alcohol and some wipes or swabs. Be careful with cleaning the heating element. You don't want to leave any residue on there, but you can also wipe that off if it gets gunked up. We're cleaning inside the threads here on the 510 adapter. Now you're all set and ready to go with your lights.